Let's talk about how to solve them instead. There's a great formula that works on exactly every quadratic equation, and it's the PQ formula, and it looks like this. X equals negative p divided by 2, and then plus or minus the square root of p divided by 2. Thereafter take the quotient in square, and lastly minus q. Then what represents p and what represents q? P is actually the coefficient in front of the first degree term, and q is the constant. To use the PQ formula, there are a few demands. Firstly, the coefficient in front of the second degree term needs to be positive 1. And secondly, it has to be 0 in either the right or left hand side.
Let's take x squared plus 6x equals 7 as an example. So firstly, does it achieve the two demands? No, because either right or left hand side needs to be 0. So the easiest way is to move the constant from the right hand side to the left hand side. So now we can finally start using the formula. In this case, the p in the formula corresponds to 6 and the q corresponds to the constant negative 7.
Thereafter, we just insert the numbers like this. After this, we slowly solve it step by step, and this is very simple. Negative 6 divided by 2 is negative 3. Following this, we are adding the numbers in the square root. 3 squared is 9. The negatives in front of 7 cancel out, so 9 added to 7 equals 16. Now we are almost finished. We got negative 3 plus or minus the square root of 16, which is plus or minus 4. Don't ever forget that when you take the square root of a positive number, you get two roots. Finally, the last step is very easy. A quadratic equation provides two solutions, so therefore we are going to name them x1 and x2. To get the first root, we take negative 3 minus 4, which is equal to negative 7. And to get the second root, we just add 4 to negative 3, and this gives us positive 1. So now to summarize, the equation x in square plus 6x equals 7 has two roots. x1 equals negative 7 and x2 equals 1.